We'll put it on about a medium heat, all right? So,
Sorry about things from Star Wars.
ouch. God almighty. Woo, dang. How'd that happen? Shoo. And to this, we are going to, well, so next thing to get, all right. All right, all right, we got our dough, nice stretched. We have our dough nice and stretched.
Oh gosh. I ain't gonna do this no more.
Oh my gosh.
What's that?
$8,000 worth of camera going into it. No big deal. Hey, it's yours. If you don't have any oil, pulled up, oh yeah, gotta do peas. Woo. Boy, I about dropped them. This is where we're gonna do a little bit of frozen peas too. That guy right there. Woo! Boy, free! Holy cow! 15 minutes or less? Cool beats, this guy. Maggie, he's funny. This guy's funny. Goodness, bring out just a hair. Am my head off a little bit? Yeah, just a tiny.
I guess the next one when it's ready, I can video it so you can tell them what it looks like. You just knocked the battery out.
Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh.
That's super loose.
Let me lift that up. Maybe. Yeah. Oh, there it goes.
See if it'll stay now.
Cheers. So, oh man. Oh gosh. Oh man. Oh my God. Everybody's gotten a little bit of this black top. Everybody's gotten a little bit of the flat. Everybody's gotten a little bit of the, what am I trying to say? I'm like off.